Best folding chairs are a smart choice for anyone who needs portable, space-saving seating without sacrificing comfort. They are widely used for outdoor events, camping, extra home seating, and small gatherings because they can be easily stored and carried. With a range of materials, designs, and durability levels, the best options combine convenience, strength, and comfort for everyday use. Select 40 more words to run Humanizer. Starting at number 1, Helinox Chair Zero Chair. The Helinox Chair Zero Ultralight Compact Camping Chair is a premium portable chair designed for outdoor enthusiasts who value lightweight comfort and convenience. Built with a strong yet ultralight aluminum alloy frame, it provides excellent stability while remaining easy to carry on hiking, camping, or travel trips. The chair is compact enough to pack into a small carry bag, making it ideal for backpackers who need to save space and weight. Despite its lightweight design, it offers reliable seating support and durable fabric construction for outdoor use. Quick to assemble and easy to store, the Helinox Chair Zero is perfect for camping, festivals, fishing, or any outdoor adventure where portability and comfort are essential. Number 2. Cosco Vinyl Folding Chair. The Cosco Vinyl Folding Chair, 4-pack antique linen, is a practical and space-saving seating solution designed for both home and event use. Each chair features a durable steel frame with a padded vinyl seat and backrest, providing comfortable support for guests during gatherings, parties, or everyday use. The antique linen finish gives it a simple and clean look that fits well with various indoor settings. These chairs are lightweight and fold easily, making them convenient to store and transport when not in use. With their sturdy construction and easy maintenance, they are ideal for dining areas, offices, events, or extra seating needs at home. Number 3. Winsome Robin Folding Chair. The Winsome Robin Folding Chair set of 4 and natural is a practical and stylish seating solution designed for small homes, apartments, and versatile use. Each chair is crafted from solid wood with a natural finish, offering a clean and classic look that blends easily with most interiors. Lightweight yet sturdy, these chairs provide comfortable seating for dining areas, gatherings, or everyday use. Their foldable design makes them easy to store and transport, helping save space when not in use. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings, this set is ideal for hosting guests, family meals, or casual seating needs. With their simple design and reliable build, the Winsome Robin folding chairs combine convenience, durability, and functionality. Number 4. Zenithen Limited Hexagon Folding Chair. The Zenithen Limited Hexagon Folding Dish. Corduroy chair is a cozy and stylish seating option designed for comfort and relaxation in dorm rooms, bedrooms, or casual living spaces. It features a soft corduroy fabric with a padded dish-style seat that provides a comfortable and supportive feel for activities like reading, studying, gaming, or lounging. Its unique hexagon shape adds a modern touch while offering a snug seating experience. This chair is lightweight and foldable, making it easy to move or store when not in use, which is especially convenient for small spaces. With its simple gray design and plush cushioning, it serves as both a functional and decorative accent chair for everyday comfort and relaxation. Number 5. Flash Furniture Folding Chair. The Flash Furniture American Champion Bamboo Folding Chair is a lightweight and eco-friendly seating option designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Made from durable bamboo, it offers a natural, stylish look while providing reliable support for everyday seating needs. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, making it ideal for events, gatherings, or small spaces where extra seating is needed. The chair features a simple yet sturdy construction that ensures stability and comfort for casual use. With its natural finish and space-saving design, it blends well with various settings such as dining areas, patios, or special occasions. Overall, it is a practical and attractive choice for portable seating.